Here are some effective tips and tricks for saving money. I'm going to give you 10 points. Check if you're missing one of these. Number 1, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify where you can cut back. Number 2, set savings goals. Define specific short-term and long-term savings goals to stay motivated. Number 3, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month into an investment account, or more than one. Number 4, use cash. Pay with cash instead of cards to avoid overspending. Number 5, cook at home. Meal prep and cook at home to save on dining expenses. Number 6, shop smart. Use coupons, cashback apps, and compare prices before making purchases. This guy's breaks anyway. Number 7, limit impulse purchases. I'll put it all in the description. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items to avoid regretting it. Number 8, reduce utility bills. Okay, so turn off the lights, unplug devices, and consider energy efficient appliances. Number 9, buy in bulk. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to save money over time. And number 10, review subscriptions. You got to cancel any subscriptions that you don't regularly use to free up some cash. Implementing these tips will help you build your savings efficiently, and Jesus is Lord.